No more messy stovetops. My grandmother shared a secret trick with me that keeps my pots from boiling over. This simple method prevents water from boiling over while cooking. Imagine never having to worry about a dirty stove or overflowing pots again. You can prevent this by rubbing the top of the pot with two common kitchen items. This easy technique creates a barrier that stops water and other substances from spilling over the sides of the pot. This way, your kitchen stays clean, and you can focus on other tasks. Whether you're cooking pasta, potatoes, or rice, this solution is both practical and economical, as it uses products you likely already have in your kitchen. Just before placing the pot on the stove, smear a small amount of fat, such as butter and oil, on its upper edge. Try this trick and see how much easier it can make your life. You'll never have to clean a burnt stove or keep an eye on the pot as if it were your precious treasure. Surprise your friends with this knowledge and enjoy stress-free cooking every day.